Talk about an instant dose of energy. Your spirits soar the minute you walk into Fieldings Local. Daylight streams in from every direction, and it's stunning, uplifting really.
We love the atmosphere here. It's great for girls' nights, date night.
This Woodlands farm-to-table spot is all about local, from the welcoming outdoor patio that fronts a luscious green space to the spot-on, locally sourced dishes that arrive at your table. Owner Carrie Attar is a true expert in the hospitality business.
Jalapeno peppers, and then shave Parmesan cheese on it.
He knows every single detail about every single dish on Fieldings' inviting menu.
Today, Mrs. Weingrad is having the Dorper lamb, which is an amazing dish.
And seems to love every minute.
In watching you, move around the restaurant, interact with your guests, after 30 some odd years, what keeps you excited about this?
I think it's, for me, it's not coming to work. I feel it in my bones. And I get to interact with really amazing people every day, and there's always something new and different. It's like the curtain coming up on the stage every day.
And that stage at Fieldings has lots of stars. There's the char siu or barbecued pork belly, a colorful plate with grilled avocado, bok choy, and shishito peppers, highlighted with a fabulously flavorful dashi glaze and togarachi spices.
There's a lobster mac and cheese that we love.
We loved it too. A mouth-watering combination of melted manchego and conch cheeses with rich bits of lobster, salty pancetta, and fresh roasted zucchini.
The food is cutting edge.
There's something for all palates. The pizzas are delicious, hand-tossed and served piping hot straight out of an authentic wood-burning oven. The energy you feel in the sunlit dining room carries over to the spacious open kitchen, all under the direction of the French-trained executive chef Adalberto Gonçalves.
I mean, it gets even more energy when you get close to the kitchen, the fire, the sizzling, and the chef yelling as well.
The chef yells, I love that. He's passionate about what he does.
I am. I've been in the kitchens for 30 years. If I was not passionate, I would not be here.
Yeah, you want a nice grilled marks? All right.
At Fieldings Local, the steaks sizzle. Hand cut daily right at the restaurant. Raised locally at 44 farms in Cameron, Texas, and dry aged for 28 days. If your tastes lean more toward exotic fare, you've got to try the pulpo. That's Spanish for octopus. Until now, I had never attempted to cook one of these massive mollusks. It was interesting.
How big is this thing?
It's about 2.5 pounds. Yes.
Oh,
all right.
my goodness.
Okay, so you're just going to plunge the tentacles for a couple of times and bring it back up.
Oh, man, it's I'm getting a workout here.
Now you let it go.
Let it go?
You can let it go now, Tanji. All right.
Oh, wow. My first pulpo.
It's poached for about 90 minutes, then grilled alongside aromatic onions. The pulpo is served on a plate painted with a rich romesco, those char-grilled onions, white beans, and Texas grapefruit to balance all that richness. It's a feast for your eyes and your palate.
Want some?
The Fieldings Local Bar is exotic too. Try their signature cocktail, Dragon's Breath, a bourbon-based drink mixed with elderflower and orange liqueurs, simple syrup, and smoked ice cubes.
Oh, look at that. That's fun.
Whenever there's someone we want to impress and that's important to us, we bring them to Fieldings Local.
Time for my wine finds, my favorite time every week. And today I've got a little bit of something for everyone, perfect for any holiday meal, any big get-together. I've got a Chard, a Pinot, and a Cabernet. Everyone's going to leave happy. All right, let's start out with the Chardonnay. This is the Goldschmidt Singing Tree Chardonnay. It's made by the well-respected Nick Goldschmidt family. This wine is luscious with its flavors of pears, peaches, and dare I say, I think I tasted a little hint of melon on this wine. It's fun. Again, Singing Tree Chardonnay, and it's a real find at about $13. All right, moving on to one of everyone's favorite varietals, Pinot Noir. You're going to love this. This is the Elouan Pinot Noir. This wine is beautiful. It has dark cherries, hints of vanilla, some spice, very well balanced and easy to pair with just about any dish. At 19 bucks a bottle, it is worth every single penny. Okay, big red wine fans, let me introduce you to the Crutz Magnolia Cabernet from Sonoma. This family actually got into the wine business as a hobby, but their friends liked their wine so much that now, 13 years later, they're in the big time. You can find the wines right here in Texas. You'll get dark cherries, blackberries, a bit of spice like sage, cedar. It's a velvety red wine and it goes with all kinds of roasted meats, priced at about $24. And as always, I found all my wines at HEB. How would you like a weekend away, complete with spa treatments? This could be your chance. Head to Good Taste TV right now and sign up for a chance to win a luxurious weekend at the Houstonian, complete with spa treatments for you and a guest at the beautiful award-winning Trellis Spa. Let's get social. Follow us on Facebook at Good Taste with Tanji and on Twitter and Instagram at Tanji Patton. That's all our time for now, guys. Thanks so much for joining us, and cheers to good taste.